Hey everyone, today we're taking you on an epic drone journey through a lush green forest. Get ready to witness stunning aerial views like never before. We start our journey by taking off the drone from the edge of the forest. As we fly higher, the trees start to tower above us, and we can see the vast expanse of the forest spreading out below. As we continue our journey, we can see the intricate patterns formed by the trees, like a green quilt laid out on the forest floor. We can also see the sunlight filtering through the canopy, casting patterns on the ground below. The drone starts to move at a faster pace, weaving in and out of the tree trunks, creating an exciting, almost roller coaster-like ride. We can feel our adrenaline starting to pump as we zip through the forest. As we come out of the tree cover, we can see the breathtaking view of the forest canopy stretching out to the horizon. The vast expanse of green is a sight to behold, and we can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. We also notice the wildlife thriving in the forest. We catch a glimpse of a deer darting through the trees, and we can see birds flying above us. The forest is truly a thriving ecosystem. As we continue to fly, we can see the different shades of green that make up the forest. The bright lime, deep emerald, and dark forest green all come together to create a stunning tapestry of color. We end our journey with a sweeping shot of the sunset, casting a warm golden glow over the forest. The drone slowly descends, and we can see the trees tower above us once again. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this drone journey through the forest. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting aerial adventures.